Once upon a time, in a quiet pond, lived a small muskrat named Whiskers. Whiskers loved his home and the friends he made in the pond. Every night, he would gaze at the stars and dream of adventure. One night, Whiskers dreamt of a far-off land filled with tall trees and rolling hills. He dreamt of meeting new friends and exploring unknown territories. This dream filled him with excitement and determination. The next morning, Whiskers woke up with a newfound enthusiasm. He decided to embark on a journey to find the land of his dreams. With a small knapsack and a heart full of courage, he bid farewell to his friends and set off on his adventure. Along the way, Whiskers encountered many challenges. He crossed rushing rivers, climbed steep hills, and even got lost in a dense forest. But Whiskers never lost hope. He believed that his dream was waiting for him at the end of his journey. One day, after many days of traveling, Whiskers finally reached a land just like the one in his dreams. He was amazed by the tall trees and the rolling hills. He felt a sense of peace and happiness. As he explored the land, Whiskers met many new friends. They welcomed him with open arms and showed him around their home. Whiskers was happy to have found a new place to call home. But after a while, Whiskers began to miss his old friends and the quiet pond where he grew up. He realized that home is not just a place, but the people and memories that make it special. So, Whiskers decided to return to his old home. He said goodbye to his new friends and set off on the journey back. When he reached the quiet pond, he was greeted with open arms by his old friends. Whiskers learned that home is where the heart is, and that adventure is great, but there is no place like home. From then on, Whiskers lived a happy life in his quiet pond, dreaming of adventures but always returning home. And every night, he would gaze at the stars and smile, knowing that he found the best of both worlds. The end.